So the first one is external media branding. That's the look, the logo, the press shirts, the image, the brand attributes, what I promise to the consumer, hey, this is what we're going to be like. We create that, right? And then so the second issue then is the internal marketing and communication side, which is how does the client actually touch the client-facing folks, the call center, how we answer the phone, how we treat them in terms of call booking, the scheduling, are we on time, all the experiences that a client has and the communication patterns that you work with your technicians, just how they're talking to the client. Are they respectful? Are they courteous? Do they, speak in layman's terms? Are they well-trained? And so employees have to buy in to your branding promise, your brand strategy. So there's a lot of training, a lot of communication, and there's a lot of chopping wood that goes into that. That's really hard work. And then the third part of that stool is the operational marketing. That's your business processes. Does somebody actually answer the phone, or do we get a voicemail? Are we saying 24/7, 365, and then I get an answering service and I don't call them back? Does my vehicle show up? Do we have the right parts on the vehicle? Do we have the right tools to complete the job? Are we exposing the client to a website that actually functions? If they send a form in, does somebody actually respond to the form? So there's these three areas of marketing. The operational side, the internal marketing side, and then the external brand promise that's out there. And so the weakness in our trade is we don't align all three of those things a lot of times. And so there's a lot of details that goes into that. It's all of that stuff. And so I think one of the challenges that most companies have is they don't price properly in order to be able to deliver exceptional customer service, to be able to do those things.